Big changes are coming to the iPhone 17 lineup. Rocket Apple is planning a major RAM upgrade that could completely transform your smartphone experience. More speed, more power, and next-level AI features. Let's jump into all the exciting details. In a bold move that could reshape smartphone performance, Apple is gearing up to equip all 4 iPhone 17 models with 12 GB of RAM, a huge leap from the 8 GB we saw in the iPhone 16 series. This powerful upgrade is expected to roll out across the standard iPhone 17, the iPhone 17 Pro, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the brand new iPhone 17 Air, which will reportedly replace the current Plus model. According to trusted Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple has already made the decision to add 12 GB of RAM to the Pro, Pro Max, and Air models. The only uncertainty? The base iPhone 17. While Kuo expects that it might also get 12 GB, it ultimately depends on how the supply chain shapes up over the coming months. The final call is expected by May 2025. Even if the base model sticks with 8 GB for now, experts predict that by the time the iPhone 18 series arrives in 2026, 12 GB of RAM will become the new standard across all iPhones. Lightbulb, why is Apple making this big RAM upgrade? The main reason behind this massive jump is AI. Apple is putting a huge focus on AI-driven experiences and advanced multitasking. With more memory, the iPhone 17 models will be able to handle heavier workloads, run powerful AI models directly on the device, and deliver faster, smoother performance with lower latency. Plus, this upgrade helps Apple stay competitive against brands like Samsung, Google, and others, who are rapidly pushing hardware limits in their flagship phones. Ming-Chi Kuo also highlights that this move will boost Apple's memory suppliers, especially Micron and SK Hynix. With the cost of 12 GB being about 50% higher than 8 GB, suppliers are set to benefit big time, and Apple strengthens its supply chain for the AI future ahead. Tear-off calendar, iPhone 17 release timeline. The highly anticipated iPhone 17 lineup is expected to launch in September 2025. Whether or not the base model gets 12 GB of RAM, users can expect major performance improvements, lightning-fast multitasking, and smarter AI experiences across the board. And by 2026 with the iPhone 18 series, 12 GB RAM will officially become the new normal for all iPhone users.